Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App and send to wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the money or banking icon. This will take you to the section where you can manage your balance and financial features. Now, scroll down until you find the Explore section. Here, tap on Bitcoin to open all Bitcoin-related features. Once you're inside, scroll again until you see the option called Deposit Bitcoin under the Ways to Use Bitcoin section. Tap on it to continue. At this point, Cash App will require you to verify your identity before you can use Bitcoin features. You'll usually be asked to enter your phone number first. After entering it, wait for a verification code and type it in to confirm. Next, you may be asked to provide additional details such as your full name, date of birth, and sometimes a government-issued ID. Make sure to enter all the information correctly to avoid delays. Once your verification is complete, your Bitcoin feature will be activated. After that, you can deposit Bitcoin into your Cash App wallet. To do this, on the Bitcoin graph screen, look for the arrow icon and tap on it. This will open the option to Send Bitcoin. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. After entering the amount, tap on Send. The next screen will ask you to enter the recipient details. You'll see a field labeled To Name, Cash Tag, or BTC address. Here, you need to paste the Bitcoin wallet address of the person you're sending to. Once you've pasted the address, confirm that it belongs to the correct person or wallet. Then tap on the name or address and proceed by clicking Next. Now, Cash App will ask you to choose the withdrawal speed. You'll typically see options like Standard or Priority. After selecting, tap Next, and you will see that your withdrawal is initiated and you will receive BTC in your wallet instantly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App and send to wallet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.